Hey guys, it's Jigo here from Stoked Center. I'm here to show you how to install a CushCore. I heard a lot of people say it's hard to install, it's easy to install. I watch a lot of YouTube tutorials, and I'll show you how to do it in a humanely reason.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Humanly skills, probably. Alright, let's jump in and let's do it. So here are the items I'm going to need. First is the rims, the tires, of course the CushCore itself, sealant, tire lever, the valve remover, shitty pump. I hope this will work. And this one, I don't know what to call this one, but this is a massive needed for the build. Oh yeah, the bucket. A rag, could be dirty rag or a clean rag, whatever. A mallet and soapy water. Yeah, first thing, you clean the rims. Next is you're gonna put the valve. You see it here. You're gonna put the valve there, and you're gonna line up the two holes on the side, and then put the rubber O-ring and then the lock. Okay, so next you're gonna need a mallet. You're gonna need this and the CushCore itself. So they say you're gonna line up this line here parallel to the valve. So let's see if we can do that. You're just gonna use how you needed a mallet. So you're gonna dig this and then ready? Nah, just kidding. So I'm gonna rub the mallet with a rug so I won't damage the rims. So you're gonna put it like that. And then you're gonna pull it, try to sit it, and then set a bit of force in it. Then it's on. It is pretty much lined up with the valve. So I think the reason why is because when you add some air and sealant through the valve, it flows smoothly. It doesn't block anything there. To like pinch it all the way, put it inside, so you can see the difference here. There's a line there. That's your mark where if your tire is seated. But you want to make sure you hide it first. You put it inside, you dig it inside, so you won't have a trouble putting everything like sitting in. So let's see. What I'll do is just like pinch it, put it in. That's it. Pinch it. I'm gonna start from this side. That's it. Happy with that? Yeah. So when you get near, this is where we're gonna need the tire lever. Stick it in there. Stick this one in there, and then the last bit. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see, you can't really see the lining on the tire, because you try to make sure you hide it, you dig it inside, so when you sit the other side, it won't be that hard. So let's proceed. So it's done. It's just a matter of popping the tire now. So I hope I won't be needing any those tire inflator or air compressor. But sometimes before I used the valve core adapter, and I go to the servo and then pump the tire there. But in my case, it's very seldom I use those meshes, but we'll see. I only have a shitty pump. I bought it from Kmart 2 years ago and it's still working. Oh yes. There you go. Had a click, a sound, brushes to the ear. Let's see this other side. Sweet. I think I'm happy with that. So next is we're gonna use the it's a Hardwick valve core remover to remove the core. So sealant. Putting it. So I use a normal stance no tube sealant. So yeah, it's done. So I use CushCore just to protect my rims, just in case I had a big case, and also I can run a lower tire pressure. So in the trails, even if it's rocky, bummy, hard packed, loose, it's good. So let me know guys if you have any questions, and you guys judge it if it's really hard to apply it, it's easy or whatnot. Put them in the comment below. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want more content regarding mountain bike, please like and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Boom, stay stoked.